mathematics as a subject in my branches. It's more like a tree with the branches. Saka my branches are my fields of study are within mathematics. For example, in a field inenge ichinzi algebra. You see? Kunenge kuchiitwa zvana x, y, zvekureplace manamba nemaletters nekudididi. Then tine field inonzi calculus. Kunenge kwakuitwa differentiation, integration, etc. Tine amwe mafields asingadzidzwe kuhigh school like topology, you see, non-linear dynamics, etc. Saka, what are the most relatable definition of mathematics is a study of relationships. Saka, in mathematics, it's not like we are studying numbers. Because as you progress in mathematics, you discover that at one point you abandon numbers. Kune methods story namanamba dzingori nema-symbols chete. Saka in mathematics, what we do is we study relationships. You understand what I mean? Andile?
Yeah.
So I want to give you a relationship to study. Then I want to take you from that relationship to our question. So what relationship do we want to study? Ngatiti tina 2 times 3 yakadai so that times 4 times 5 like this. Or what is the answer here? Tikaiweka in this way. Ngatiti this is the first method. 2 times 3 ndian?
3 that's 6.
6 and
6.
Then times or 4 times 5 ndian?
20.
20. All right. 6 times 20 ndian? This okay?
Yeah. Basically.
All right. Ngatiti uri munhu anofarira kuarrange zvinhu, you discover kuti 2 inoi even number asi 3 odd number. This okay?
Yeah.
Toteseka apa. Ma-even numbers ma-numbers anodividwa na2 asingasiye remainder, ma-odd numbers ma-numbers asingadividwe na2 asingasiye remainder. Saka 4 ichi even or odd?
Or even number. Even
Yes.
number.
Or 5 ichi
5 odd number.
odd number.
Yeah, odd number.
Saka uyu munhu uyu anofarira kuti kuda kuarrange ma even number pawo ega nema-odd number pawo ega. Saka achati 2 times 1 like
2
this.
times 5 times 4, I mean.
Over t times 3 times 1
3 times 5.
5. Nditka. Saka kuona kuti answer yake inobuda iri 120. Ndizvo ka. 2 times 4 ndiani? Ndi 8.
8.
Ndizvo. Times or 3 times 5 15. Let us check kuti 15 times 8 inotipa chii. 8 times 5 40. Andika?
Yeah.
We are together. Then 8 times 1 ndiani? 8 times 1 the 8 plus 4 the 12. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And you see what I mean?
Yeah.
Saka multiplication haina basa nemaarrangero ataita numbers. Hazvina basa kuti wati 2 times 3 times 4 times 5 kana kuti wati 2 times 4 times 3 times 5 kana kuti wati 2 times 5 times 3 times 4. You can try it in your own time. So order does not matter when you are multiplying. You see? So we have Chatora M1 ne M2 ta establisha relationship iripo pamanamba sai. We have started Taita mathematics.